Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to add a button or extension of Gemini to Google Chrome. So for that, you first need to open Google Chrome and in the search bar write Chrome Web Store. It is here, so I click on it and here Gemini for Chrome. Click on it or open this in a new tab like I'm opening here and then click on Add to Chrome. Add extension, click on it, and here is the extension button for Gemini. Whenever you need this, let me open now a new tab and then I click on the extension button and here is Gemini Chrome. I click on it and it opens Gemini here on the side and it called me hello. Now I can search Gemini. Let me write how to write equations in logic. Right, I hit this and the Gemini instantly provides me this these information. So this way you can add the Gemini and these are the different codes you can use. So this way you can use Gemini in Google Chrome. And then let me thank you for watching Safi Mixed.